What are bonds? No, I'm not talking about this bond, but the one which is referred again and again in the stock market. Well, bonds are nothing but an I.O.U. between the lender and the borrower, which includes the detail of the loan and its payment. And by the way, I.O.U. literally means I owe you. Bonds are the ways for companies or government to raise money without giving up ownership of their company. You might have heard the term treasury bonds. So basically in treasury bonds, you're lending money to the government for a fixed period of time and the government will promise to pay you back the money with a little bit of benefit, which is called interest. For example, you might have heard of 10 years bonds and 30 years bond. Well, what that means is in the case of 10 years bond, you are lending money to the government for 10 years, which is also called the maturity period, and 30 years for the 30 years treasury bonds. And the government uses this money to pay for schools, roads and other infrastructure expenses. And treasury bonds can be one of the safest investment vehicle, as there hasn't been a time when government defaulted on their debt. And you can track how much government will pay you in interest for a certain type of bond, which is also called yield. Drop a like and follow for more.